Get chopsticks.
Wait, what is this?
Right now.
Eating how to eat a dumpling. Get chopsticks. Get it like this.
Or get your hands.
Dip it in here. Or get your hands and all that stuff. Blah 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 stuff. Your hands and then, or you can just poke it. Just get it up. Dip it a little bit. Shake it a little bit, and then.
That means it's good?
Mm-hmm.
你刚才22个
26
啊
？26个。
I am 9 years old, and I will be telling you how to make a dumpling.
Put some of that back.
This,
Put some of that back.
and then
Give me some insert back.
okay. And then if it's too much, give it back to my mom. Okay, and then you just wrap it up together. Wrap it up together, and then keep going. And then pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. Take it down. Pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. Don't want too much.
还 too much. Gosh. No. 都没饺子馅。
You're not gonna do a bad one, but you just wrap it up, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, wrap it up. Or you just do it in hand. Pinch it all around. Into a ball. That's how you make it up. That's bad. But this is like really how to
Jason.
make a dumpling.
Put in your hands. Put in your hands and fold it. These hands.
I know how
And
to
then
do
use
it.
it. I show you. Jason，稍等一下，
你别
妈妈拿
别看
上。
没有底汤，
没有
This,
挤一点，
this right
你
here.
没底汤了，
上次还挤了点汤，没挤一点。
And then just
你挤一点汤，
take it out.
Jason，看这儿，hold in your hands do it。
那个这可不是不然，
Like that. I want Daddy one. And
肉里别
then
搁水了就，
that.
没搁水，啥水也没搁。
That's how you make dumplings.
We're making it the Shanghai way.
Mama, I did a balls. I did a balls.
OK, that's OK。
Balls.
这包子才是包子，
This, how you make a dumpling.
Yeah,
Well, they're
okay.
do different. There's different ways to make a
Yeah.
dumpling. That way or that way. And then I'm gonna make one more.
吃2片。
一会儿妈妈给你啊。你看妈妈怎么包，搁到手里包好包，因为搁到下边它又
Now
摊
I'm
开
gonna
了。
make one like this.
OK，Jason，稍等，给你，稍等。搁到手里，搁到手
搁
里。
手里头，
Too much meat. And then
你怎么给它包？它不包吃
together.
包子混进去，
And this together.
包混的光是肉
你，看妈妈怎么包，Jason。
Smush it. And then smush it, smush it.
包混的那肉啊，
Do the same
光是
thing
肉跟
to
葱，
this side. Do that. Smush it, smush it. And get all the way into the middle. This. Just take it to the middle. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. 2 different ways, and that is good. And like in the video and subscribe. If you subscribe and get to this million hits, I'll give you one of these if you subscribe right now. Bye.
Here we go now.
Soundstripe.
Here we go now.